Hey everyone, welcome back to Optechmistic. If you're looking to speed up your data management in Excel, I've got a super helpful tip for you today. We're going to talk about the equals filter, A2, B8, B2, B8 equals sales, formula. This formula is a game changer when it comes to filtering your data quickly and efficiently. It looks at the range A2, B8 and filters out only the rows where column B contains the word sales. For example, if you have names like John, Bob, and Dave listed with their respective categories, this formula will give you a neat list showing just the ones with sales. This is perfect for when you're working with large data sets and need to find specific data points without wasting time manually sorting through everything. It's simple, powerful, and will make your workflow so much faster. If you enjoyed this tip, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Optechmistic, and drop your questions in the comments below. I'll be back soon with more Excel hacks to help you work smarter, not harder.